The 2024 Suzuki Swift Sport is a hot hatch that balances comfort and fun. While it may not reach the heights of hot hatch greatness, it offers a well-equipped package with a hybrid engine that enhances efficiency. Under the hood, the Swift Sport features a 1.4-liter turbocharged booster jet engine with mild hybrid assistance. It delivers 127 brake horsepower, accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 7 seconds. Despite some steering numbness, it offers a dynamic drive with impressive mid-corner speed. Inside, the Swift Sport boasts sporty red trim and supportive sports seats. While the interior materials could be better, it offers good forward visibility and practical features like a 7-inch touchscreen with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. However, the boot space is limited. The Swift Sport is competitively priced, cheaper than most rivals, and offers great reliability. It includes standard features like adaptive cruise control and automatic emergency braking. However, it depreciates faster than competitors and has a so-so warranty compared to Hyundai's 5-year coverage. Overall, the Suzuki Swift Sport is a fun, efficient, and affordable hot hatch, though it lacks the excitement of some rivals. It's a solid choice for those seeking a balanced driving experience.